Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Avoid smudging your paper or drawing tablet. Surely you've had your battles with this issue. This is one of those drawing tips that every beginner artist should master. There you are, taking some time and having fun with your drawings, when, suddenly, a smudge of ink or graphite appears on the paper. Who had the gall to do this to you? How dare they destroy your drawing like this? You turn your hand, it's smudged as well. Unbelievable, the betrayal. Betrayed by your own hands, dirtying your paper and ruining your good time. This is exactly how it goes with everyone, right? As terrible as it is, this matter can be avoidable. The most economical way to go about it is to use an extra sheet of paper. Just put it in between your hand and your drawing, and you'll be able to avoid smudging or smearing. This way, you can draw comfortably and your hand will always be protected against the medium you're using. This is also very useful if you use a drawing tablet. Avoid smudging your paper. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.